What is up, everybody? It's Ches Fishing. I'm back today on a pier. I'm gonna do something starting that I don't usually do. I'm gonna start off at the very end of the pier, just because honestly I got here early and no one's here yet on this whole pier, so why not, you know? So let's hope we catch something. Look how calm the water is here today on Tampa Bay, guys. It's like a lake. Well, we need light sinkers. I got frozen shrimp still and frozen mullet. Let's hope we catch something. I might try to plug a little bit too. I was just getting bit up, guys. I might have took my bait. Well, it's still there, barely hanging on though. Let's fix that. Some little fish down here. Some mangrove snapper would be cool to catch. I got something, guys. Let's see what we got. No way, we got one of these little sea robins again. Oh my goodness, what is up with us catching the sea robin? Look at that, guys. The fighter jets are going by pretty sick. This is the second round they're doing. That's awesome. You guys look right here, all the manta rays are going by. Big school hole. It's so cool. Here we go, guys, I got one. Not sure what this little guy is, but honestly, I'm just gonna leave him as a bait. Won't work on a pompano actually, so might as well take him off. Oof. Another catch. Oh, got one, guys. Got a little grunt. These guys make good bait. Honestly, guys, I think they're a beautiful fish. Just targeting some sheep's head. I saw that there's some near that piling, but using a really small hook, so not surprised I got this little guy. You can't tell me that's not a beautiful fish. Alright, let's put him back.